Large projects are typically either sponsored by the government or by an entrepreneur with bold aspiration. The German Statista website, which specializes in market and consumer data, highlighted the 5 largest projects in the world at the present time. In this video, we will show about 5 mega projects with a cost of more than $100 billion. But before we start, don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Neom. The site is north of the Red Sea, east of Egypt across the Gulf of Aqaba, and south of Jordan. The total area of Neom is 26,500 kilometers, 2 or half the size of New York City. Neom will feature the world's largest green hydrogen production plant. All energy in Neom will come 100% from renewable energy sources, the sun and the wind, and there will also be hydrogen-based power generation, all ensuring a zero-emission, carbon-positive ecosystem, which is expected to accommodate 450,000 people by 2026, and its cost will reach $500 billion. So far, 4 major projects within Neom have been announced: The Line, Trojana, Oxagon, and Sindila. Number 2. Railways and shipping routes linking the European. The EU has one of the densest railway networks in the world. However, national railway systems across the EU vary. A trans-European rail project, Rail Baltica, is aimed at connecting the Baltic states to the existing European rail network. The portion of the railway line in the Baltic states is expected to be completed by 2024. The line between Tallinn, Riga, and Kaunas is expected to be operational by 2025, with the Warsaw link to be completed in 2030. A new rail network will increase the speed of both passenger and cargo trains, and reduce congestion on the roads, especially through Baltica Road and the highways of Poland and Germany. Passenger trains are expected to run at a maximum speed of 240 km per hour, with an average speed of 170 km per hour. Toss the project to build railways and shipping routes linking the European Union at a cost of $600 billion. Number 3. Dubailand. Variously described as the world's largest leisure and entertainment destination or the Disneyland of the Middle East, Dubailand was first announced in October 2003. Dubailand is a large-scale entertainment complex in Dubai. The 107-square-mile site lies inland from Palm Jumeirah, between Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road and the desert. Conceived on a grand scale, Dubailand is aimed at creating innovative themed districts in Dubai, such as Sports City, Motor City, Q Point, City of Arabia. The $64 B mega project Dubailand will open in 2025 chapters. Number 4. The project to build an international space station. The International Space Station is a multi-nation construction project that is the largest single structure humans ever put into space. The International Space Station is a cooperative program between Europe, the United States, Russia, Canada, and Japan for the joint development, operation, and utilization of a permanently inhabited space station in low Earth orbit. The International Space Station 2022 Transition Plan laid out NASA's vision for the next decade of the microgravity laboratory that is returning enormous scientific, educational, and technological developments to benefit people on Earth and enabling our ability to travel into deep space. The first module is planned to be attached to the ISS in 2024 and fully completed in 2028. The project to build an international space station at a cost of $230 billion. Number 5. Railway project in the countries of the Gulf Cooperation Council. The project aims to connect the GCC countries by rail. It was initially scheduled to be completed by 2018, but has suffered setbacks and will be resumed soon. Work is underway to complete the implementation of the project, cost of which was estimated by the economic study at around $15 billion, and member states to train the nationals to operate the project and to cooperate with international organizations with expertise in railways. The planned railway would begin at Kuwait City, pass through Dammam and Al Batha Port in Saudi Arabia, Abu Dhabi and Al Ain in the UAE, and then enter Oman through Suhar before terminating at Muscat. The passenger train speeds up to 200 km per hour and travels the distance between Suhar and Abu Dhabi in 100 minutes and 47 minutes between Suhar and Al Ain, while the speed of freight trains will have a maximum speed of 120 km per hour. The trains will have a capacity to ferry 12,000 passengers per day and 250,000 containers at the start of the line's operation. In your opinion, which of these projects would be the best? Are there projects that we did not mention? Write it in the comments. And here we are at the end of the video. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.